Oh, we're back. We're doing this again. Oh, it's been a minute. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Emeroy TV, the place to move, groove, and grow. We're back. It's been a minute since I've done any tutorials. To be honest, I've honestly just been kind of lazy about the whole process. But we're here today. I'm going to be teaching you guys a simple beginner's tutorial to the Weeknd's Save Your Tears. All right, so if it's your first time on this and you don't know the format, I'm kind of just to simplify it, we're gonna go with counts first, explain through that, then kind of go through it slowly, then with music. And I'm gonna try to go, so generally what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach the 8 count, music, teach another 8 count, build on it, 8, and then with music, and so on and so forth. Not only that, the video is also mirrored. That way, if I do my right, it's gonna be your left, so on and so forth. So with that, let's get straight to the tutorial. Not as in shape as I used to be. First off, you're gonna start off facing your right. Okay, your first steps are gonna be 1, 2. It's gonna be, you're gonna step with your left, okay? And then you're gonna kind of turn your head, like leaning into your left shoulder. And then here, 2, okay? So it's 1, 2, okay? It's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4, yeah. So we're gonna go 1, 2, okay? Like kind of like snaking into it. You can use, and not just your head, but try to have a tilt into into it as well. 1, 2, okay? And we're gonna go cross out. 3, like this, no. Okay, I'm trying to center set myself. 3 and 4, okay? Cross out. Doesn't matter if it's left or over right or right over left. It's just a simple no, shoulder out, okay? So that's a 3 and 4, okay? So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool. Now just adding the feet now, it's a 1, 2, you're gonna step, 3, okay? Little bend here, straight, okay? So you do a slight level change here, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, or even more like a and 3 and 4. Cool. So from here, you're gonna flip up. 5. I think he says, I don't know why. So 5, 6. You're gonna do a little shrug. Okay. So it's and 4, 4, 5, 6. From here, you're gonna tilt. 7, 8. Not your body. Not so much your body. It's just your arms. Literally just this is going down. This is going up. And you're trying to go for like a 45-degree angle. I'm looking at myself in the mirror for reference, but for you guys as well. Cool. So 3 and 4, okay, shrug. 5, try to really exaggerate that, okay, really boom, so you can see it. I'm kind of far from you guys, trying to boom, exaggerate that, okay. This is 6, okay, 7, 8, as you do that, you drag this foot in, like that, 7, 8, but you're dragging it to, you're stepping onto your right, dragging it out, 7, 8. So you're dragging it in, drag, turn. Okay, so you can see from this view, drag, turn. Cool? I just finished. 3 and 4, 5, up, 6, 7, 8. Cool, so let's try that from the beginning. Nice and slow, then medium, then fast. So 5, 6, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, up, 6, 7, 8. Cool, now let's go a little medium. Okay, and the benefit of this being online is you can always go back. You can even slow it down because you have those options now. Go half speed, whatever it is. So I'm trying to keep these videos a little shorter, but feel free to always go back. So now I'm going to the medium tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, so you have this, should have this nice shape. Okay, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try that much, the first 8 count, just with music. Cut.